How can I fix the issue of blinking power light on my Sharp Roku TV?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to fix the issue of a blinking power light on your Sharp Roku TV. If you've been facing this problem and wondering what you can do to resolve it, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in.
Check the power source.
The first thing you'll want to do is check the power source for your Sharp Roku TV. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into both the TV and the wall outlet. It's not uncommon for the power cord to come loose over time, causing the blinking power light issue. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly connected.
Power cycle the TV.
If the power source seems fine, the next step is to power cycle your TV. Power cycling refers to turning off the TV, unplugging it from the power source, and waiting for a few minutes before plugging it back in and turning it on again. This process helps reset the TV's internal components and can often resolve minor software glitches causing the blinking power light.
Check for firmware updates.
Sometimes, outdated firmware can lead to issues with your Sharp Roku TV, including a blinking power light. To check for firmware updates, follow these steps. 1. Using your TV remote, navigate to the Settings menu. 2. Scroll down and select System. 3. Choose System Update and select Check Now. If there are any available updates, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install them. Updating the firmware can often fix software bugs and improve the overall performance of your TV.
Reset the TV to factory settings.
If the previous steps haven't resolved the blinking power light issue, you can try performing a factory reset on your Sharp Roku TV. Keep in mind that this will erase all personalized settings and installed apps, so make sure to back up any important data beforehand. Here's how you can reset your TV. 1. Press the home button on your remote to access the Roku home screen. 2. Scroll up or down and select Settings. 3. Choose System and then select Advanced System Settings. 4. Select Factory Reset and follow the on-screen instructions. After the factory reset is complete, set up your TV again and see if the blinking power light problem persists.
Contact Sharp support.
If you've tried all the previous steps and the blinking power light issue still persists, it's time to reach out to Sharp's customer support. They have a team of experts who can provide you with specific troubleshooting steps or arrange for further assistance if needed. Check the user manual or visit the Sharp website to find the appropriate contact information for your region. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the blinking power light issue on your Sharp Roku TV. Remember to check the power source, power cycle the TV, update the firmware, and perform a factory reset if necessary. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Sharp support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.